thunderstorm warning for South Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Orland Park, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Chicago Lawn, Burbank, Oak Forest, Palmer Glen, Alsip, Palos Hills, Justice, Summit, Burr Ridge, Ashburn, Evergreen Park, Bridgeview, Midlothian, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Western Springs, Palos Heights, Crestwood, Worth, Countryside, and Willow Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa weather.